Hi guys, welcome back. So for this DIY, everything I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I thought that I recorded the materials you needed, but I obviously didn't, and it was already too late. So I'm just gonna tell you, you need one of their Dollar Tree Christmas trees. I used some foam blocks that you can find in the floral section, and that I just used to stabilize a tree. I used one of these little plastic planter box things, whatever. So that is what the tree is inside. I also use some of their rocks, and that is what's holding the tree inside. And then I use some of this garland that they sell in Dollar Tree, and this is just to fluff up the tree. So you're gonna see that the tree looks very bare right now. So adding this garland just makes it look a little bit more full. You can obviously hot glue this if it makes it easier for you, but I just wanted to make this as simple as possible. So what I did was I just wrapped it around to make it look full and keep it nice and tight. And right now you can see that I have the rocks in there. You can also hot glue it so that way it is more stable as well. I have one of these little matte acrylic paints from Walmart. They're like 98 cents. And I'm using a makeup sponge. And what I'm doing is I'm just making the tree look like it has snow on it. So you can obviously go more heavy-handed if you want, or you can do it a little bit more light-handed if you want it to look less. It's all up to you. That's the beauty of this. You can make it look however you want. So I kind of went like kind of heavy-handed, kind of not, and I just applied white all over it just to give it a little bit more character. The lights that I have, like I said, they have the ones that you plug in, and these are new for me at least. These you can put two AA batteries in them, and they light up white, which is pretty. I love like white lights. I don't like the yellow cast that some lights give, so I use these. And then I purchased some poinsettias from Dollar Tree, so you can get any color you want. You can get any type of flower. It doesn't have to be poinsettias. It can be whatever you want. So I took them off of their stem, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hot glue them on the tree. So again, this is going to give it some character. I can make it my own. It's going to, you know, make it look nice and decorated, but it's also going to make it look full because the flowers are big. I also purchased a tube of 6 ornaments. So I use the glitter ones on this tree and then the more matte ones on the other tree. So I think it was a pretty good deal. You can't beat it. You get 12 for $1. You really can't go wrong. But here you're going to see me. I'm just hot gluing the flowers onto the tree. I mean, this DIY is pretty simple. It's not rocket science. It's pretty easy to do. Anyone can do it. Honestly, it doesn't take that much effort. So you can kind of see I'm just placing the flowers wherever I feel like it's bare, and it's just gonna give it a little bit more like fluff to it, you know. So the whole point of this is just to make the tree look a little bit more like full. So yeah. Some of the flowers you may need to like flatten them out a little bit just so they're not so bunched up together, but again, that's if you want to, you don't have to. I've seen other people like apply acorns to their trees, so you can get very creative. The Dollar Tree has hundreds of things that you can put on your tree. You don't have to use flowers if you don't want to. You can just use ornaments and stuff like that, so it's clearly up to you. Okay, so this is what the tree looks like. Granted, like I said, you can always spray paint or paint the actual pot holder if you wanted to. Yeah, you can always spray paint it if you want to, and if you want to make it look a little bit more full, because it does look a little skinny, you can always add some ribbon, and that will definitely make it look a little bit more fuller. I still have to make the other tree, but I just wanted to get this one out the way just so you guys can see it. If I do get around to making the other one, I'll definitely show you guys. And here is the other tree I did. So that completes this quick DIY, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!